Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. This is Priyanka. Now in today's video, we are going to stamp thank you notes. Now instead of drawing it or painting it, I decided to stamp just to introduce the other way of art. I don't do a lot of stamping. I have few selected stamps. So I'm going to pair them up. You don't really need to have a lot of variety of stamps to make a thank you note or even a greeting card. You can do a lot with just one or two stamps. If let me know in the comments below, I can show how to do the masking technique. That is, for me, it is like getting more out of your one little stamp. So, but yeah, that's a video for another day. As for this particular video, I wanted to make customized thank you notes for gift bags, and I like the idea, of customizing something. I mean, who doesn't like a customized present or a customized card? It just shows that you were thinking of your guest, and makes the memory a little more memorable. So getting back to the card, please make sure when you're stamping, do add a scrap piece of paper in the background. It will just ensure that your workspace is clean. Now with stamping, obviously you need the acrylic block, you need an ink pad. I am using just the normal, the thumb printing ink pad of Artline. There are many colors and they're pretty inexpensive also, but I find this to be more, available or easily, I can refill it easily. I don't have to have a bunch of colors and all those things. So I find it a little more easily accessible. So anyways, getting back to the card, I can leave it as it is. I find it to be pretty in black and white as well, but still I decided to add a little bit of color here and there. You don't have to color all of them, and also you can choose pencil colors. For the first thank you note, I did use pencil colors. But I find the markers, sketch pens, alcohol markers, or maybe watercolor markers, they are much better of a choice because this is not a hard paper. If it was a thicker paper, you can definitely go ahead and use pencil colors. It would still give the same effect. So once all your thank you notes are colored and done, you can just add a piece of paper at the end of it, which I'll be showing you in a second. This will just give it a little more stability because, as I mentioned, I'm not using a thick paper, so this is pretty flimsy. So I just decided to add something relevant to the color, which adds down to its look, and that's about it. So thank you so much for watching this video. For more similar videos, please do like, share and subscribe. I will see you next time. Stay safe, stay healthy. Bye bye.